Now, Wales is well known for its sheep. It's home to more than 9 million of them. But while Welsh lamb is famed for its flavour, farmers can get just pennies for wool fleeces. Well, now a 2-year project could change all that. George Hurd has been to a South Gwynedd farm to find out more.
Wales is rightly famous for its great Welsh lamb. It has special protected status, and worldwide exports are worth some £170 million a year. Sadly, the same can't be said for Welsh wool. Only a handful of small woolen mills are left in Wales today, and farmers get as little as 10 pence a kilo for Welsh wool fleeces. For many textile producers and their customers, many traditional Welsh mountain fleeces can be just too rough.
But what if we could have the best of both worlds? Wool that is softer and lamb that's just as tasty. Well, that's what they've been trying to achieve here for the last 2 years.
Here at this farm near Tywyn in Gwynedd, John and Gillian Williams have been taking part in a project aimed at crossing Australian merino sheep with British Romney long wool breeds. The idea is the sheep born a year ago here can produce much finer wool, and the meat from the lambs is just as good. For Gillian, who grew up farming in the Falkland Islands before making Wales her home, the potential for the wool is obvious.
This we could be getting around £10 a kilo for. This we will be getting 15 pence a kilo. So that's a massive difference. The idea is to have fat lamb to send off, and also a ewe that's producing a good fleece so that we can make money on the lamb and the wool. So that's the idea of the dual purpose.
The project's being run by Arlosi Gwynedd Wledig, part of the Mentor Mon social enterprise, with another farm near Corwyn also taking part. But how have the sheep fared on our hills? And most importantly, how does the meat taste?
Yeah, they were treated the same as all the other sheep we have, no special treatment, and they turned out all right. All the males have gone, sold to the livestock market, and they've done well as well. Yeah. Last October we sent 2 to the abattoir. We had the meat back and we've eaten most of it probably, and it was good, yeah, no problem at all. Carcass was good, good shape, good weights, so yeah, well impressed.
Hope now is the project can grow, with this year's ewes put into a new breeding programme in the autumn. It's early days yet, but this really could be a game changer for the Welsh sheep industry in the future.
George Hurd there.